Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the upcoming days. I've stopped doing date-wise readings because A, I feel time is fluid in tarot, and B, people tend to follow or expect things to happen in that particular days of forecast. Universe doesn't work as per our calendars, our timeline. So I think we should just keep our minds open and don't put timers to our wish fulfillments or what we want from the universe. Let's see what your coming days has. Okay, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, and Wheel of Fortune, and Nine of Cups. So yes, I think money wise some of you are drained right now. I see that the situation that you were in was very nice, but now things, you have some problems some of you are facing in terms of finances, but things are quickly changing, especially in terms of love. There's a lot of love around you. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune. What will it bring to you? So keep in mind, this cycle, this time is a changing time. Cycles are bound to end for new ones to start. So you are walking away towards something because, again, like I said, you know what you deserve in those low times. Lowest lows, we know what we deserve and what we want, and very fast new beginnings are there around the corner. Let me see in terms of love. In terms of money, it says in terms of money, things are changing. Probably next month onwards, things will change because you've really worked hard. You've really, I think you've not gotten any result of your hard work. It's as per you, if you feel it has all gone waste, but no, universe is working on the background and things are bound to change. I feel for you, for those of you looking for money, things are bound to change June onwards. And for those of you looking love, probably the end of this month, new things, you will see new people around you, or the old people will change. For a lot of people, a lot of the signs and a lot of us, even old relationships are bound to have a new face or a new light. This is a very magical time around us. Let's see the major arcana card, Judgment. So yes, you, like I said, you have really put in hard work, but you thought it's all waste. But no, wish fulfillment. Like I said, next month things will really start looking good. This month is all about cycles ending and struggles ending. Hangman, again, your perspective right now, Hangman energy, where you feel that, oh my god, I'm just stuck, nothing is happening for me. Let us see. First, let me take some love messages. For those of you looking for love, let's see what the universe has, what the universe says. Universe says, be true to yourself, Pisces. Keep it simple. You know what to do. So it's universe. No, I think you guys are very intuitive. So universe is leaving it to you. It's just asking you to be true to yourself, and you will know what to do. You already know. And keep it simple. Don't complicate things too much. Don't complicate it when manifesting things. Just be very simple in asking, and also be patient. Let's see how you can handle the situation. How can you handle the situation? Sacrifice. Sacrifice doesn't mean you have to give up things. Charity and patience. Like I said, be patient when manifesting. So that's what universe is backing my words. Sacrifice means you have to let go of certain belief systems, certain things that you have been doing in a certain way since a long time, and be open to change. In short, charity, I think all of us are expected to help each other. Now the times are really bad around the world. So we are all expected to help a little bit the way we can, and have patience. Don't hurry, don't give up too soon, don't expect things too soon. Just let them happen in their own time. Things are really bound to change very soon for you, but then don't put timers on it. All right. All the best to you, and thank you for watching.